News headlines about 5' Therapeutics Nasdaq FPRX have trended somewhat positive this week, according to Extern Sentiment. Extern identifies negative and positive press coverage by analyzing more than 20 million blog and news sources in real time. Extern ranks coverage of public companies on a scale of -1 to 1, with scores closest to 1 being the most favorable. 5' Therapeutics earned a news sentiment score of 0.07 on Extern's scale. Extern also assigned news headlines about the biotechnology company an impact score of 46.80904186208001 out of 100, meaning that recent press coverage is somewhat unlikely to have an effect on the stock's share price in the next several days. These are some of the headlines that may have impacted Extern's scoring. Get 5' Therapeutics alerts. 5' Therapeutics Incorporated FPRX stock moves -8.38%, monthly low performance. The stock's news press release. ThisTalksNews.com. 5' Therapeutics FPRX secures $5 million IND milestone payment from Bristol Myers Squibb BMY under Immune-StreetInsider.com. StreetInsider.com. 5' Therapeutics Incorporated FPRX receives consensus recommendation of buy from analysts. AmericanBankingNews.com. Brief. 5' Therapeutics earns IND milestone payment under Immune Checkpoint Pathways discovery collaboration with Bristol Myers Squibb. Reuters.com head-to-head comparison. Stemline Therapeutics STML vs 5' Therapeutics FPRX. AmericanBankingNews.com. A number of analysts recently weighed in on the stock. Jefferies Group reiterated a buy rating and issued a $52 price target on shares of 5' Therapeutics in a research report on Tuesday, September 12. Buyers Club upgraded shares of 5' Therapeutics from a sell rating to a hold rating in a report on Thursday, December 21. BMO Capital Markets upgraded shares of 5' Therapeutics from a market perform rating to an outperform rating in a report on Monday, October 16. Zacks Investment Research downgraded shares of 5' Therapeutics from a hold rating to a sell rating in a report on Tuesday, October 10. Finally, Value Engine downgraded shares of 5' Therapeutics from a hold rating to a sell rating in a report on Tuesday, November 7. One research analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 2 have given a hold rating and 6 have given a buy rating to the company's stock. The company presently has an average rating of buy and an average target price of $64.00. 5' Therapeutics Nasdaq FPRX traded up $0.30 during midday trading on Wednesday, hitting $21.96. 457,600 shares of the stock were exchanged, compared to its average volume of 417,217. 5' Therapeutics has a 12-month low of $19.73 and a 12-month high of $52.72. The firm has a market capitalization of $635.60, a PE ratio of -4.33 and a beta of 3.90. 5' Therapeutics Nasdaq FPRX last released its earnings results on Monday, November 6. The biotechnology company reported $1.54 earnings per share for that quarter, missing the consensus estimate of $1.35 by 19 cents. 5' Therapeutics had a negative net margin of 408.42% and a negative return on equity of 41.57%. The firm had revenue of $8.33 million during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $16.16 million. During the same period in the prior year, the business posted 72 cents earnings per share. 5' Therapeutics' quarterly revenue was up 24.7% compared to the same quarter last year. Analysts anticipate that 5 Prime Therapeutics will post -5.56 EPS for the current year. In related news, director William R. Ringo sold 600 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction on Wednesday, November 1. The shares were sold at an average price of $45.33, for a total value of $27,198. Following the completion of the